Welcome everyone, my name is Jermaine of webhostingthrone.com, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to install WP Postratings. That is when someone goes to your website and rate your posts out of a 1-star to a 5-star. As you can see right here, Google has actually indexed this particular post I have right here. I have this post and I have this post. It's because I have enabled Google to the Google rich snippets that goes with this plugin, okay? So as you can see right here, my post actually shows the 5-star rating. I just did this myself just to show you that it does work. It could be a 2, it could be a 5-star, whatever it is that people comes to your website and they see great content, they may rate it a 5-star, a 2-star, or it could be anything. For instance, let's see here. As you can see on my post here, as I scroll to the bottom, you will see and notice that I have a post here. This is my article that I created, and at the bottom here you see what? You see the star system. Okay, so you can rate it to a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, or 5. Okay, whichever star I rated, then it is calculated and seen on here. Okay, so that is what this is. I'm going to be showing you how to install this plugin. It's called the WP Postratings plugin. So how do you install it? Simply go to where it's plugins, go to add new, and of course I've already installed it. It's called WP Postratings. So what you do is you go here and you put in WP Postratings, and as you see right here, it says active. I've already installed it, and press activate. So what you do is once you press install now, which is just right here, Postratings, WP Postratings, press install now and then press activate. After you've activated it, go here where it says, let me scroll down, where it says ratings. Okay, go to manage ratings. All right. As you can see, I have several ratings here. You can also go to what you want to go to is ratings options. So these are all my posts that I've set up my ratings for. Okay, and you could choose what snippet that you want to use for your image. For instance, you can use the heart. You can use the original as far as the stars, like I have the stars checked. You can use any one of these to represent your image when people rank your blog, rank your posts that you create. You can have as many stars or many as you want. You can, here it goes where it says enable Google rich snippets. This is very important. Press yes. Make sure when you run into enable Google rich snippets, press yes. Okay, make sure that is on, because if you don't have this, it would not index. Google would not index it, so your your ratings, the people who rate your posts will be seen in the search. Okay, so make sure this is check yes. All right. Afterwards, go all the way down and press save changes. All right. Now, this is very important too. So for instance, let's go to all posts. All right. And say that you created a post that you wanted to, that you just created. So let me edit this particular post. Now, in order to use the image, the ratings, you must do a couple of things. Okay, this one thing this is just this one thing. Okay, now that you installed it, you chosen what rating system you want to have, then all you have to do is let me see here, scroll down here. Okay, what we're going to do is make sure that we click on the code editor. So we're going to click on this right here, these 3 points right here, and go all the way down to where it says code editor. All right. And what we're going to do is scroll down, And then right here, we're going to type in brackets, 2 brackets, and put in ratings. All right, and what we're going to do is press update. This is just an example, okay? So we're going to use the brackets and we're going to say ratings. Let's view posts, and this is what we get. And boom, there it goes right there at the bottom of this post right here. And you can do that for any post that you want. Just make sure it is the ratings, the keyword ratings is between the brackets in the code editor. All right. So that is how you use the WP post ratings, okay, for your blog.